Hot Wheels Nissan Skyline RS, KDR30. In 1981, Nissan releasing Skyline R30, the successor of Nissan Skyline C210 and the sixth generation of Nissan Skyline, featured the FJ20, a 1,990cc, producing 148 horsepower. In 1983, Nissan releasing the RS version, specifically the 2000 Turbo RS. Nissan upgraded the engine to FJ20 ET engine, producing 187 horsepower, made it a high-performance model within the R30 series. The designer of this casting is Ryu Asada, and released in 2018. The color of the car is red and black with black plastic base. The detail of the tampo is black stripe on sides with 4DOHC valve RS Turbo, Hot Wheels logo on rear license plate, rear lights, and spoiler detail. Now let's swap the wheels